Today we're here on Christmas Day, 2019, and
welcome to our channel.
So welcome to our channel. This is
Hank,
and I'm Travis, and we got a brand spanking new letter P box of Hot Wheels.
Yes.
Say we're new to this, right?
Yes.
Say we've never done this before.
Yes. And,
So
it's our first time to do it. Let's go.
I say, and how many videos have we watched of everyone else doing it?
100 million.
100 million, I like it. And maybe there's 100 million cars in here, you think? Look, it tells us right here. How many's in there?
27.
Other way.
22.
No, 72.
72.
72.
Wow.
I know, right? Are you excited?
Yes.
Alright, you want to open them up?
Let's go. Yes, open them up.
Say, what are we going to name our channel?
Hot Rod Hobbies.
Hot Rod Hobbies. That's a good name.
And we...
Say, I'm kind of excited. What do you think?
Yeah.
You think there's going to be any cool ones?
Yes. Let's go.
Let's do it. You ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Wait. Whoa. Whoa.
Let's go.
Wait. Alright, let's see what we got here. We're going to take them out slowly. Okay? Think we can do it?
Yes.
I see some duplicates.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, so look, we're going to grab these.
Can I grab one?
Right here, look. Check it out.
Let's grab one.
What we get? Look right here.
Okay.
What we get right here?
We got a fire engine.
Fire engine. Look, it says right here. Look, check it out. It's number 206 of 250.
I want to grab one. I want to grab
And
one
then
out.
we got the Morris Mini
Yes.
and Croc Rod. Look, it's a crocodile. Check it out.
Go crocodile.
Say Croc Rod. Cool.
And then we go over
Here,
to the side. And then, Daddy, I want to grab one out, okay?
Show me. You just got three.
We got
We
this.
gotta show the camera.
We got
Track Ripper.
Track Ripper.
And then we got El Vento.
And we got a Batmobile.
And we get a Batmobile? Whoa, this is like the animated series. This one's all kind of square. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
So it looks different than the other ones we have, right?
Yeah. And maybe it's a go-kart one.
Maybe. That's a good idea.
Let's put it over at the side.
All right, look, they're in groups. There you go. Get those three right there. There you go. When we get there. Oh, we got another fire engine, didn't we? Look.
We got Hug Russell. We got the Muscle Series.
The Mustang. Look, 65 Mustang, 2+2 fastback.
And look, it's the Muscle Series. And here we have.
What we got here?
We got a Ghost Roaster.
Say it's a Sky Boat.
Got a boat.
So it's got like a...
Where's your those Jados? It's on the tool. It flips. It's flipping the ball.
It flips the ball, and then Runaway Rescue. We got another fire engine. Daddy's gonna grab these.
I'm gonna grab these.
Wait, buddy. Right here. Look, see, they're in layers. There you go, right there.
Here we
Whoa.
got another muscle series.
We did. We wound up with the custom 2018 Ford
And we
Mustang.
got a new one of
GT.
really big. And we got the new one of really big.
It's called Sandivore.
We got Sandboard. And we got this coming.
Say exotic. Look, and it looks exotic with the chrome wheels and the no windows on the side, and you can see down in the top of it.
Let's get
Wait, buddy.
these.
Hey. You gotta go slow, okay?
Alright, we got
Turn over here so we
here,
can.
and here we go.
Alright, it says High Beam.
High beam, got high beam.
On the side of it, it says Baja Blazers, so it's a race car. It's pretty
We
cool.
got here.
Oh, wow.
It's a Scorpion.
Look what it says. Evil Weevil.
Evil
Can you say
it's a Scorpion.
it's a scorpion? It is. Say Evil Weevil. That's pretty awesome. What's this one right here called? Wow, look what it's called. Look. T-Rex Destroyer.
I I have a red one.
You have a red one like that?
Yeah,
Do you?
I got the same one.
Here, get all three. Look, there are layers of three. There you go.
And here.
Uh-oh, some more duplicates.
And we got another one.
Yeah, I've got another exotic.
And different.
What's these two?
And we got these same.
And they're called bot wheels.
We got bot wheels.
So they're kind of army looking, aren't they? And they got the protection on them, the mud tires.
And we'll call them army jeeps.
Army jeeps. We'll call them whatever we want, can't we?
And here
There you go.
we
Get
go,
those
the
three.
free series. And here we go, a racing.
Yeah, this one is Robo Race Robo Car. That's pretty cool.
And here we
Kind of looks like a drone from the top. Look at it. Don't it?
And,
Say 161 or
and here
250.
we got a road series.
It's a roadster. It's got 3 R's. That's kind of.
And here we got a fish. A fish.
Wow, that one's cool. Piranha Terror. I've never seen one of those.
Yeah, those are cool.
Look, he's got his teeth on the front. Rawr, ah.
And
You gonna
here
get
and here we got.
Sweet. We gotta keep her.
Here you go, Daddy.
You knew I was gonna want that one, didn't you? Huh?
Well, that's
So
cool.
the custom 56 Ford truck is definitely going in my collection. And it says Kendry Speed Shop on the side of it.
And
Yeah,
Daddy, this looks like safety collection because it has blue on the top of the
Let's check it out.
safe.
Oh wow, look, it's solar powered. It's got solar panels on the top of it. That's pretty neat.
And here we go.
What's that one? Looks like a semi. Is it a semi? It is. Hologram.
We got hologram, guys.
Hologram, look. And you can't see the cab because it's hologram.
Yeah.
2019 special features. See back for details. Let's see what it got. What's it say? That's weird.
Yeah. What's it? What's it?
The bumper goes up and down. I found it right here. It's got a special feature, it says. See? Shows a little arrow.
So do you see that? The bump goes up.
The bumper goes up. Oh, look. You get to have your one now.
And here the beach series.
Say it's a 16 Bugatti Chiron.
Can I show you something, Daddy?
I'm listening.
Look, now you got two.
Two up. Sweet.
There you go, Daddy.
Awesome.
There you go.
We'll keep those over here. Let's get them all lined up. We got more to go, bud.
Daddy, any cool cars you can have.
I know, bud.
And the rest of the cool cars are going to be mine, okay?
Okay. Look, we got another El Vento.
And
Another Robo race car. This one's cool. We got a little rally car, a little Ford Focus.
yep.
A little rally car. You like that one?
Yes. Yep.
Oh, another
And
Solar Reflex. Skyboat. That one's pretty cool. 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Hey, that's going to fall off. There you go. Ha, check this one out. Super cool. So it's a Baja Hauler.
we got a Baja Hauler, guys.
Baja Hauler.
And here we go.
Say 228 of 250. I think it was super neat.
Here
It's got
we
the
go.
band on it. It's got the big
This
stacks
is
on.
really cool.
Let me see.
Speeder.
Rising Heat. It's got the wing and a spoiler on it.
Look, Grammy has
I bet that one's fake.
Grammy has the same color, but it's a different color. But look,
Let me see.
the same color Grammy has, but it's not her else, but it's a different color. But actually, it's the same color. But look,
Let me see it. Aha.
it has a bike on the side.
Yeah, it's a Diora 3. And he's hauling his racing bike in the back of it. And it shows the little driver right there. Look, new for 2019. That's pretty cool. So that's a new one. Uh-oh. Look, second layer.
Here we go. Ooh. Here we go, guys.
There you go. Get those three. Good job.
Here we go. We got England series.
It says HW Pursuit. It's actually a police car. It says police.
A police, but it has
Yeah.
aliens on it.
It does. Look, all three of these are police cars. Look, the bottom one's even a police car. Look, it's, I guess, in Spanish or something. I don't really even know what that is. That shows I'm not
Oh,
very...
look, it's all
ethnically diverse.
Yeah.
We got 2 of the police cars.
Yeah.
All right, and this one's pretty neat. We'll have to figure out. Say this shows our lack of knowledge here.
Yes.
Let
And
me help you get it started. There you go.
And
There's a couple cool ones.
And Daddy, we can hold 4. 2. And here's another electric battery.
It's a Tesla. How'd you know it was a Tesla? Because why? I know you can't read yet, so how'd you know it was electric?
Because it's an electric battery right there.
Ah, your little picture diagram. Good observation.
And another
There's another opposite, same one. Yeah, that's awesome.
And
Daddy thinks this one's super cool.
Guess what?
What?
Mom has a blue one of these.
Memo does?
Yeah.
And what's it called? What's it called? Kick cart.
Key cart. And
Say.
it's from the truck series.
What's our YouTube channel name?
Hurrah, hobby.
There we go. You remembered it. Sweet. Uh-oh. Look, there's a Z-Rod. We already know Z-Rod's fast on our track.
And here's this
Alpine A110.
And we got almost the same, but it's really the same.
It is. Yeah, almost, and it really is. Yep, there you go. Same thing.
And we got a blue one of these, but you don't understand, but we got a blue one.
We got a blue one. Say, yeah, there's a green one. Look what's on top of it. Those cool flames. Say, we like stuff with flames on it, right?
Yeah, we do.
Say, note that the Z-Rod is really fast on Hot Wheels track.
And Z-Rod is our, and what's this? Daddy on the hood stuff. Okay.
All right.
And here's the cool trip Jeep.
Say, yeah, it's called Bogzilla. It's kind of like a...
And here's some racing sport
Kind of
cars.
looks like a Power Wheels. So what we got? A Mazda RX-7.
And another one.
Oh, it's got the Coney 7 logo on it and the little Mazda logo. That makes it look cool. It looks like a drift car. It looks just like those RC cars we were just watching.
Yeah.
See, look, checkered flag, race cars.
And,
Super cool.
And let's get this
Super
one.
cool, buddy.
And I want to hold him.
I know you do. We gotta work together. Okay?
And
Yeah.
these Daddy, here's someone you really want.
You think I'm gonna want this one? Say, too bad it's okay. But we like any Hot Wheels with flames on, don't we? 67 Shelby GT 500.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we like those colors. What do you got there? You got what is that, a McLaren? What is that? You do have a McLaren Senna? I'm not sure the correct
Let's see on the back,
pronunciation there.
guys. Let's see on the back.
Let's check out the back and see what it says. Exotic supercars, always ready to race. So McLaren Senna was born in 2019, working in England, and is 3-time world driving champion.
And I'm going to get the next roll, and there's 2 cars Baby Daddy wants.
I definitely want them. I definitely want them. You know why? Because it's a Buick Riviera, 64 Buick Riviera.
And there's 2.
There's 2 of them. That's
And
awesome.
here, oh
That
my
one's
gosh.
awesome.
This is just like the big, can I have it?
So we got the matching tie-dye cars. Say.
And I want this car.
Say we're Buick collectors, aren't we?
And I want that one.
Let's see what it looks like up from closer. Awesome. The Olds 442. It's jacked up on donk wheels. It's got the big wheels on the bottom of it. And look.
Just like Cowboys.
Let's check out the old school painting on the side of it. I think it's awesome.
Yeah.
Because it looks like it's old, but it's new. So we definitely like that one, right?
It's a new car.
So we definitely like that one, right?
And here's like a sports car piece.
It's an Aston Martin Vulcan.
Oh, we got
we got a pair
another
of them.
truck.
Yeah. So we got another hologram.
And
That's HAUL, like Hall.
hologram.
Yeah, and not Hall, like the actual. I'm gonna get it for you, okay? All right, look, check it out. I see another one that's going in my collection. Which one do you think of those 3 is Daddy gonna keep? Yep. What is it?
I know what series it is. The helmet series.
It's a helmet series. Let's see what this one's called. It's called Flash Drive.
This is definitely gonna be mine.
Flash Drive.
I got a blue one.
All right, and right here, I don't know the year, but we got a Corvette Grand Sport. Say I got a pretty good collection of Corvettes, so we're definitely gonna add that.
And
to
here's
the
an
collection.
electric
It is. It's another Tesla. Cool. So now we got two different versions of the Tesla cars. And Hank is 4 and got pretty good observation and noticing.
And we got the chocolate.
And noticing the electric mark on the package. So it kind of lets everyone know that they're electric vehicles, right? Uh-oh. We got an Audi. It's like Audi makes high-end vehicles. And look at the bottom. Check it out. We got a Lamborghini.
Oh, no.
We got a Lamborghini on the bottom. Look, check out those cool colors on top of it. It's got the
Yeah.
red and green racing stripe. Kind of fitting for today. What colors red and green stand for?
And after dinner, we're going to eat chocolate.
And check these two out. These are cool. We got another pair. It's pretty neat.
And those are definitely going to be mine.
Surf and turf. So we got a matching surf and turf. Look at that big engine.
And
big
look at this cool car. Daddy,
big
you
engine.
have these.
Look at the big engine sticking up out of the top of it.
And let's see if this big truck, cool truck, is.
And then look at the bottom. That's a Ford Ranchero. It looks like an El Camino, but it's a Ford, right?
Yeah.
You like that? Think it's cool?
Yeah.
We're almost done. Got 6 more to go. 6 more to go. Look, there's what Mommy wants. A Range Rover. Yeah, so Mommy wants a Range Rover.
And we got 2
Say-
Range Rovers.
2 Range Rover. Was it Velar? Is it maybe incorrect?
Here's the one that almost looks like.
We just watched that on the video downstairs.
Yeah, but
didn't
it doesn't have the H.
we? It doesn't. It's got a wheel on it. It's a little bit different. Look what letter it has on it. It's
The
E.
E.
Yeah, I wonder if they all have different letters. Mach Speeder. So that's something to look into.
Oh, I have. I
The last 3, look. The Dark Knight Batmobile.
Yeah. We got 2 Dark Knight Batmobile.
We did. And then, what is this one called?
This is called the Beach Rover.
Rig Heat. It's a cool looking semi. So we collect semis, right?
Yeah, and we have a lot of semis.
All right. Say, that's our unboxing. And if Hank would get out of the way of the camera, maybe you guys can see the cars. But it's our first time and we're practicing. So thank you for watching. And if you liked our video,
Yeah. Hit the subscribe button.
hit the subscribe button. Awesome. Thank you very much.
And let's go to the next row.
All right.
Let's get this started.